Hey there! Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when selecting the right operating system for a virtual machine. The dilemma arises when we come across different versions of the same OS, like the Fedora 40 Server Edition, each labeled with confusing terms like network version and CD version. So, what's the deal and which one should you choose for your VM setup on Windows 11 using Hyper-V? Let's dig into the solution here. The network version of the OS is tailored for users with a speedy and reliable network connection during installation. This version downloads packages on the go, assuming you have a compatible network adapter. On the flip side, the CD version is packed with default packages on the installation media, catering to users without a network or those who prefer a one-time large download. In a nutshell, the choice between the network and CD versions boils down to your network speed and preference for initial versus post-installation package downloads. The network version offers quicker initial downloads, but may slow down installation, while the CD version pre-downloads all packages for a faster setup at the cost of some unnecessary downloads. Both versions yield similar results in the end, so choose the one that aligns best with your needs. To wrap it up, whether you opt for the network or CD version of the Fedora 40 Server Edition, rest assured that your VM development environment will take shape smoothly. Remember, consider your network situation and download preferences before making a decision. And with that, happy virtual machine building, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite OS joke.